Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to draw a picture of our gargoyle as if it was sitting on a cathedral wall. So I've already gone ahead and drawn it so that you didn't have to sit through that. But you can see how I used just some basic lines and some tricks to make it look like a form, like I curved here so that it looks, and I curved here so that it looks more three-dimensional. Be sure you curve the bottom to make that dome shape. So a curved line here and then a lesser curved line down here will make that dome shape. Alright, after you're done drawing this, then we're going to make it look like it's sitting on a castle wall. Make it look like it's sitting on a castle wall. I've cut some cardboard and it's 3 inches. And what we're going to do is we're just going to draw the horizontal line, and if your cardboard doesn't reach all the way across, just scoochie it over, line it back up, and finish that line. Then I'm going to go up here to the next one. I want to be careful that I don't draw my line through my gargoyle because the gargoyle is supposed to be sitting on the wall. So when I hit another line, I just pick my pencil up, and I'm ready to go over to this side to scooch it over a little bit. Line it back up with this line down here. There we go. And then line it up with the line down here. Pick my pencil up. Pick it up. Scoot it over. Just like that. And then that's it. So you're only going to have to draw 3 lines this way. Then we're going to make it look like bricks. To make it look like bricks, we want to make sure that it goes in between. So we're going to draw some nice long brick lines here, a vertical here, here, maybe here. And then we want the bricks, if you stack up bricks going straight down, it just falls over. So if you look at bricks, you can probably look at bricks around the room, you'll see that the brick lines go in the middle of the last brick. And then here, so I want the middle-ish, I'm going to just draw here, pick my pencil up, and draw to there, like that. And then the middle of this one, in the middle of this one, which is going to be lined up probably with that, and then the middle of this one, like this, and there are my bricks. Then I'm going to take a black marker and I'm going to trace my gargoyle with black marker. We're going to trace our gargoyle a couple of times here. Watch out for any overlapping. See, I've got overlapping there, so I need to watch out for that. And then I'm going to trace with chalk pastel. So I'm going to trace it again. And you want to use the point of your chalk pastel. So you want to use the very point. Now, here's where the coolness happens. Take your finger and you just rub inside of it. And you take it and you rub the chalk into your gargoyle. And that's going to give it that 3-dimensional quality, and it's also going to look more like stone. See, I'm going from the outside in, just rubbing around. Just rubbing out that chalk. And that gives it that 3-dimensional quality. Then we're going to do the same thing with the bricks. You can take a few fingers And I'm just going to rub that all out. Awesome. So now you have your scary gargoyle to sit on your desk or your bed or whatever to keep you safe. And then you also have what your gargoyle would have looked like sitting on a cathedral wall there. And we will be able to hang this one up and display this one.